This training video will guide you through adding features to your pad. First, select the star in the upper left panel. The toolbar below will then allow you to add ground sprays, mechanical items, and features from various collections. To load a new collection, simply select the plus sign next to the star on the top left. To add a feature or mechanical item to your pad, simply click and drag. Release the mouse to drop the item on the pad. You can change the feature orientation by clicking on and dragging the directional arrow. If after placing a feature on the pad you'd like to reposition it, simply select the feature, then click once more and drag.